song लेकर आए हैं आपके सामने. This is definitely going to help us, help you, and help the society, hopefully. So, ladies and gentlemen, to talk more about this and to also invite on stage the main guest of the evening, मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी सबसे पहले respected principal of Manik Ji Cooper Education Trust School, Mrs. Kashmira Gandevia ji. Can we please have you on stage? Thank you so much for having me here, first of all. And क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप आज के इस शाम के लिए? Would you like to take the podium, please?
It is a great occasion for all Cooperites today. I welcome all of you. Anyone who's in Manik Ji today is a Cooperite. So, welcome to all of you, and I would be very happy to welcome Rani, our ex-student, back to her alma mater. I've heard a lot about this girl from her teachers. They said a simple, modest girl, always respecting her teachers. And what I remember when I see her interviews on television, etc., she proudly talks about being a student of Manik Ji Cooper School. And she makes sure that she mentions the role of her teachers in her life. That is a great thing. And I would say, my dear students, you must learn this from her. However high you reach in life, however successful you are, you should never forget your alma mater. And remember, my dear children, success is not measured by the position you are in. Success is measured by all the difficulties you have gone through in order to reach success. About Rani, of course, she is one of my favorite actresses. And I remember that one actress who has received the Filmfare Award for Best Acting as well as Supporting Actor in the same year, in the year 2004. The Best Actress Award for her role in Hum Tum, and the Best Supporting Actress Award for her role in Yuva. Of course, another challenging role in Black, where she acted as a deaf and mute girl. And we all look forward to another challenging role in Hichki. God bless her, and thank you.
I think with this, you've spoken so well about Rani, so would you also like to welcome her on stage, please?
Yes, Rani, I welcome you on stage. The stage is all yours. Please join me.
Give it up for Rani Mukherjee! The very beautiful, the very talented, the very vivacious Rani Mukherjee. Still looking like a schoolgirl, though. Hi, I was just telling you that you're still looking like a schoolgirl, so.
Thank God. My daughter's going to be ready to go to school soon.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. So we want to know everything that you remember, जितनी memories है, जितनी चीज़ें आपने उस समय स्कूल में नहीं बताई थी कि मैंने ये किया है टीचर्स के साथ में, वो आज तो अब बताना बनता है now that you are back to school.
Firstly, I'd just like to thank Principal for having us here because it always feels wonderful coming back to school. And I want to thank all my teachers who are present here today, who have taken out time and have come for this. So thank you all my teachers. Of course, all the teachers today I wouldn't be knowing everybody's name, but all my ex-teachers, Mrs. Mishra, Mrs. Dadarkar, Mrs. Kadam, Mrs. D'Souza, Sir Ganatra, all of you, Mrs. Setu, Mrs. Vakil, Mrs. Bhatia, all of you all, I feel so happy to see you all here today. It's a very special film of mine where I'm playing a teacher. So I thought there could be no better place than my school, Manikji Cooper, to launch this song. I just hope that you all see Hichki and tell me how I have played you all. All my experiences that I've had in school, the way you all have taught me, I think I've probably taken few anecdotes from all of you all, and I've tried to play a good teacher. I don't know how successful I'll be. You all will tell me when you all see the film. But I'm just so happy to come to Manikji. And what also makes me happy is I've come with all my friends, Saud, Priya, Ayaz. They've all studied with me right from nursery, and they are still my friends. So I'm really, really happy to have them here today. This used to be our nursery. So all the memories are coming back. The place where I was right now, that was my first standard class. And of course, Mrs. Dadarkar, who was my class teacher in the 3rd standard, which is next to the banyan tree where we used to hang. So all the memories are coming back, and I feel so happy. And more than anything, I think Hichki is a film which talks about turning your disadvantage into your strength and making them your opportunities. That's something that my teachers in my school in Manikji Cooper have taught me, to take your disadvantage and turning them into your strength. Of course, from Mrs. Dadarkar, I've learned a lot because she was a history teacher, my English literature teacher, so the way I talk, a lot of it comes from Mrs. Dadarkar, absolutely. And just the fact that this film talks about so many positive aspects of life makes this film really, really, truly special. And I'm really, really proud to present this film in front of my teachers here today, who I truly, truly respect the most in my life. So thank you so much for being here, Miss and Sir, and all of you all. And of course, Sir Ganatra, what can I say about you? I still remember the way you used to come into class and say, open the windows and let the climate come in. I can never forget that, sir. And you taught us biology so amazingly. And of course, Mrs. Setu, the way you taught us physics. And of course, Mrs. Bhatia, you taught us Hindi, so it's amazing. Mrs. Mishra, maths and physics, always my weak spot. And I've come to your house right here for tuitions as well. So it's just so amazing to see all of you all. And Mrs. Kadam, chemistry. Oh my God. And Mrs. D'Souza, of course, taught us English. So I'm just feeling so happy being here today. Just feel so nostalgic just to have all of you all here. And of course, Priya, Saud and Ayaz, I would like you all to come later on stage. So just prepare yourselves, right? They were telling me, we're not going to come on stage and say anything. But I would like to call all my teachers on stage now. Please, Mrs. Grewal, Mrs. Mishra, all of you all, please come on stage, because all, the whole media needs to see all of you all. So please come. Please, please, you can leave your bags. Come, Miss, come. Mrs. Dadarkar, come. Sir Ganatra, Mrs. D'Souza, Mrs. Kadam, please come. Mrs. Bhatia.
my students, but I do consider you all as my students even till today, because Manikji Cooper may have been an alma mater for Rani, but I have started my career from here as a college student teaching the 9th and 10th. So it's so wonderful to come back here and be with you all. About Rani, what can I say? There's so much to say, and I don't think I could be able to put it even in a nutshell, the kind of person that this girl is. What I know and what I remember about her, that humility that I was talking about, and the most important things, my dear students, is the love and respect she has, not only for her teachers, but also for her family, her friends, her brother Raja. Raja has to be there first for everything, right? And what else can I say? Yes, Rani, one day, there's one thing I'm going to tell them about you, which which they would like to know. Rani, I used to always ask her, because she was with me right from the 3rd standard till standard 10th. So I said, Rani, after you finish, what would you want to be? She would always tell me, ma'am, I'm never going to be an actress. I want to be a teacher like you, and I'm going to be a teacher like you, and there she is today, a teacher like me. Rani, wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Sir Ganatra, I'd like you to come, please. Just spent so much time with you learning biology. And once I want to have that, open the windows and let the climate come in, please. Once, for old time's sake.
This is not a classroom. And if I ask them to open the windows, the AC effect will go. So I better not ask that sentence. But when I used to come in the class, there used to be so much commotion in the class. Chow, 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 chow. I said, please open the windows, let the wind come and the commotion go out. Like that. Anyway, that was fun. School days are school days, and Manikji Cooper is Manikji Cooper. No one can beat. No one can beat, no doubt. Everyone knows about Rani. I better not talk, because then I don't have that much time to talk about her first. But one thing I will definitely tell. I don't remember which standard she was, maybe 6th or 7th, and we used to have skits in the class. So in one of the skits, I was director, and she was acting. And in the class, in the hall, we presented our show. I did not get any prize as director, but she got prize as supporting actress. So I take the credit of her beginning.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Mrs. Mishra, please, please come, please. Spend so much time with you in school and outside school. No, you can. Is it difficult for you to come up? Aram se. Such a lovely sari you're wearing. How are your children?
They are okay, they remember you. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I have become nostalgic after meeting Rani for so many years. But I'm grateful to her. She remembers each and every teacher, and she remembers me, and she never forgets. Rani is a very, very sensitive, very affectionate girl. And I have found that she is so much concerned for each and everything. Just now, she asked me, how are your children? How are your daughters? So that shows the sensitiveness and concern. And I wish Rani all the best. May God bless her.
Thank you, miss.
God bless.
And Saud and Priya and Ayaz, come. Come on. All my friends who have been with me from nursery in Manikji Cooper, we've sat in the same class, same bench. That's South and that's Priya. Come, come, come. And Ayaz. So you'll have anything to say, Ayaz, I think?
See, I think Rani wants to talk actually. Priya? No, I just want to say I'm thankful to Rani that we got this chance to come back. Otherwise, I don't think they would allow me in the school. But whatever we are, people say it's because of our parents. Partly true, but because of the teachers we've had, and we've had the most fabulous teachers, all of you. Our principal, Mrs. Katki, I mean, I don't think any other school had this kind of bond that we could just treat them like family. And I remember I used to come to the school beforehand and Mrs. Katki used to be there, just enter her office, knock and just sit, hi Mrs. Katki, how are you? You know? No, but it's just the memories we've created with all of you. We are who we are thanks to all the teachers that we've had in our life. And thank you so much for, making us who we are, and we never forget that. And thank you, and I'm just blessed to be back here. MCET, woohoo! Oh wow, perfect for me also. I'll use it every day for all my shoots. I mean, I think... Yeah, and Rani is here. I mean, she wanted to do this here because, I mean, she loves the school as much as anybody, and, it's a wonderful story. I've seen the teasers, and all of you are going to love the film, and it's just fabulous that Rani is doing something like this, such a topic, and we love her, yeah. I mean, sometimes, or maybe most of the times. All right, thank you.
Say something. Anything.
I know.
Sing a song.
No, nothing. This is going to be, for all the students who are there currently, this is the best time of your life. Enjoy this. Look at where you are, because we miss all of this. You won't remember college as much as you guys are going to remember school. Your investiture ceremony, your assemblies, and standing outside the principal office with your report card, part of the game. And most... give a lot of respect to all your lab teachers as well, because they're the most understated ones, but they help you a lot. So, and all your other teachers, your peons, everybody. So just have a great time, enjoy, and, MCT, that's it. It rocks.
Yeah. Come on, don't be shy. Don't show me your eyes. Come on. She's whole day showing me the eyes. Yeah. South. Say something now. Anything. Just forget the cameras are there. Forget the cameras are there.
My
Just
views,
say.
if I start, no, we did a lot of masti. I was the only girl probably always outside class. We sat together, I think, from lower KG, C division to 10C.
Yeah.
And
We were together in the same class,
same bench, and we're still together, all of us.
Yeah.
And it's just great being back here. Just great being back.
Yeah. No, also I would just like to say one more thing. I don't think there is any nobler profession than being a teacher. So I salute all the teachers for being in this profession, because what you all impart to us is something which we cannot even, I would say, measure, or like you cannot even, like we can't even begin to thank you for what you all do for us, and you all must know that we remember you all forever. It could be you all have taught us just for 1 year or 2 years, but just the memories that we have always stay with us forever. So thank you for being teachers. Thank you for being our teachers. And thank you, school, for just giving us everything that we've always learned. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Check. Yeah. So, cash. Yeah, that's nice. Yahi sikhaya hai. I think, you've given everybody a reason to go back home and call their teachers or call their friends once.
So I'm expecting that when they see Hichki, I think everybody's going to do that. After they watch Hichki, I think every person, big or small, will remember their teacher and call their teacher at least once.
Absolutely. And I totally believe that the friends जो हमारे स्कूल में होते हैं, वो actually lifetime के friends होते हैं, उसके बाद सिर्फ समय के साथ ही मिलते हैं. So, what a wonderful afternoon, Rani. Thank you so much. मैं मतलब दिल से thank you बोल रही हूँ. And I think now the thing that we've all, gathered here for this song.
Yes, let's see the song and then we'll speak about the song.
ओए हिचकी, हो जाए ये गाना. Hello. Wonderful, yaar. Once more chilla rahe hain log. I think the next time you have to watch this on your own, on your computer screens, on your phones, on television, और फिर से आपको admire करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन मुझे ना यहाँ पर तालियाँ जो है ना वो भी हिचकी के साथ में सुनाई दी थी इस गाने के बाद. So come on, एक बार जोरदार तालियाँ होनी चाहिए for this wonderful song. And I am sure all of us have so many things that we want to ask Rani, talk to Rani about, or just tell Rani. So I would like you to please come here again. You know, the first thing I want to ask you personally about this song, क्योंकि ये गाना बात करता है about the preconceived notions, the ideas, जो
Discriminations.
Yeah, exactly. एक हिचकी जो कि सोसाइटी के अंदर है, अलग अलग टाइप की हिचकियाँ जो है सोसाइटी के अंदर, वो कौन सी हिचकी थी या हिचकियाँ थी इतनी सारी जिनको कि ओवरकम करने में आपके टीचर्स ने आपकी मदद की थी कभी, आपको बताया था कि ये एक हिचकी कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए? डू यू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
आई थिंक स्कूल में बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि जैसे जब मैं छोटी थी तब मैं स्टैमर करती थी.
ओह रियली?
हाँ, सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टैमर अ लॉट. और ये जो मेरी हिचकी थी स्कूल में ही मेरे टीचर्स ने, जैसे मिसेस दादरकर, जब मैं हमें जूलियस सीजर सिखाते थे मिसेस दादरकर, तो लॉट द वे वी हैव लर्नड इन स्कूल, तो वो जो हिचकी थी मेरी स्टैमरिंग करने की वो बहुत दूर हुई है स्कूल में रहकर.
वाओ.
जस्ट विद द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट माय टीचर्स हैव गिवन मी. और ये जो गाना है, दिस सॉन्ग इज़ एक्चुअली अ ट्रिब्यूट टू ऑल माय टीचर्स एक्चुअली, क्योंकि यही स्कूल में मुझे सिखाया गया है कि नॉट टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम ऑल माय टीचर्स. वी ऑल इक्वल्स. लड़के और लड़की में कोई अंतर नहीं है, कोई भी बेटी बेटे से कम नहीं है. किसी का जो रंग है, कोई गोरा है, कोई सांवला है, कोई काला है, वी आर नॉट known in society, our identity is not in society because of our color, our caste,
True.
Any of that. We are known in society for our achievements, for what we do, our merit, and the positive change we bring in society. So that's how our identity is. And we should not discriminate. And that's what my song says, कि हमारे अंदर बहुत तरीके की हिचकी है और वो हिचकी हमें दूर करनी चाहिए. और पहले जो हमारी हिचकी है, सोच की हिचकी, जो हम अगर चेंज कर दे तो this place will be a better place to live.
Wonderful, wonderful. With this, I open the floor for media question and answer. So can we have some mics?
One
Yes.
more thing I want to talk about my teachers. I think the inspiration to play Naina Mathur as a teacher, I got from all my teachers, because in Maniji Cooper, teachers never pressurized us towards academics.
Oh wow.
Yes, we were
That's
never
new.
pressured. Every student was treated as equal. Because in school we have different problems of grasping, of learning. Some students would be really, really bright, and some students were not so bright. Some students were average, some students were brilliant. But I can say this with a lot of pride that in Maniji Cooper, we all students were treated as equals.
You know,
Our teachers never gave us any prominence, specially, and we were all treated as equals, and that's something that I've taken back all my life.
you know, I just remembered something that my mom always says, because she's a teacher. Thankfully, I have a
Oh,
teacher
lovely.
at home. Yeah. So she always told me कि अगर सभी लोग engineer और doctor बनेंगे तो painting कौन करेगा?
कौन करेगा? गाना कौन गाएगा?
RJ
डांस
कौन
कौन
बनेगा?
करेगा? That's good, that's good.
All right, can we have some questions, please? Do we have the mics rolling already?
हाय, मेरा सवाल सभी आपके दोस्तों ने और सभी लोगों ने बताया रानी. मैं जानना चाहूँगा राजा भाई से कि आपने किस तरीके से रानी को देखा है स्कूल में जाते हुए, और क्या
अरे मैं तो डरती थी. जो भी क्लास में ऊपर जाती थी ना, वो लोग मुझे पूछते थे, राजा सिस्टर? नो.
राजा साहब प्लीज 2 लाइनें बोलें, फिर दोस्तों से भी पूछते हैं.
और
आइए
मैं
राजा,
एक
इधर
चीज
आइए,
भी बोल
माइक है.
सकती हूँ, मेरे सारे टीचर्स राजा को ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं मुझसे ज्यादा.
अच्छा, ये सवाल मैं दोस्तों से भी जानना चाहूँगा, अगर आप मंच पर आ सकें, आप तीनों
प्लीज
लोग.
आइए मंच पे. प्रियंका, सोनी खोचर, साउथ बेग, अयाज खान, आइए. आइयो. क्या सवाल है?
आप तीनों बताएं कि कितनी नटखट थी, शरारती थी, पढ़ाई में कैसी थी. थोड़ी अंदर की बातें बताएं जो हम लोगों को ना पता हो.
She wasn't naughty at all. She was extremely hardworking and studious. And she was just never punished, yeah. She spent a lot of the periods in class alone because I was always out of class, punished, but she was a good student, yeah, very, very hardworking.
सोनी गयाज आप भी ऐड करें अपनी बातें.
ये नॉटी नहीं थी, इनफैक्ट प्रिया रानी मेरी बुक्स कंप्लीट करती थी मेरे लिए, यू नो, तो बहुत हेल्पफुल थी. देवर, यू नो, दीज गाइज हैव बीन माय क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. तो मेरी नोटबुक्स हमेशा खाली रहती थी, रिमार्क्स डायरी के भरे रहते थे, तो ये लोग हमेशा मेरी बुक्स कंप्लीट करते थे. सो आई ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट दैट, और जो भी हूँ टीचर्स की वजह से भी और थोड़ा इनकी वजह से भी.
I think the bonding, the reason why we are friends today is because Ayaz and मेरी books ये दोनों ही complete करती थी. And I think that took us a long way. And आज खड़े हैं तो योगदान इनका भी है. तो thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, actually, if I can add, अगर रानी actually teacher बनती जैसे बनना चाहती थी, I think fabulous teacher होती, you know.
आई थिंक कोई कुछ सवाल पूछना ही नहीं चाह रहा है. अच्छा, कोई है? ओके. हाँ, यस.
Ma'am, any memory that you would like to share with us about your school and the whole journey of Hitchki and your with the Hitchki and your school? Any memory that you would want to share with us? Any special memory?
I've spoken about all the memories. I think the fact that I'm here today standing in my school, in the midst of my teachers and my, stay na, yeah. And in the midst of all my friends, my closest friends who were there with me in school, I think that's, it's basically everything, right from the toilet that is here. Like, you know, we were like remembering all the boys and girls who used to have running nose and all right through there. And, you know, all the memories are coming back. You know, they were just saying that how they've actually given their blood and sweat to the school because they used to be falling and injuring themselves. So there are too many memories here, you know, like our annual day memories, like the personality contest that we used to have here. Yeah, and we actually, I've written my board exams in this, in this hall. Like I remember writing my board exams here. So just every memory just like comes up really strongly.
Any naughty act you had done?
I was not naughty. That's my biggest problem. Like somebody tells me, what am I naughty? I don't remember doing anything naughty. Yeah. Huh?
Do you still have your name written anywhere in the school, somewhere on the
No, actually, I had chicken pox the day we had the shirt signing day. So I miss being there on shirt signing day. Do you all still have the shirts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Acha, you did.
Yeah. You didn't scribble on that.
Yeah, never scribble. Yes. Did we guys ever fight? Of course. Yeah. Yeah, friends have to fight. There can't be friendship without fighting. We fought all the time, and I think that's what has made our friendship stronger. A fist fight? No, we didn't have fist fights. No. Yeah. No fist fight. No.
We have one more question.
Hi, Rani. Ravi
Yeah,
from-
hi.
Ravi from ABP News.
You're from?
ABP News.
ABP News, yeah.
रानी, जब आप फिल्म के लिए शूट करी थी बीइंग अ टीचर, ऐसी कोई घटना हुई जो एकदम आइडेंटिकल थी, आपको स्कूल से एकदम रिलेट कर सके? ऐसी कोई घटना हुई जब आप शूटिंग करी थी हिचकी के लिए?
जो बच्चे मेरे साथ जिन्होंने काम किया है इस फिल्म में, कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं असल में टीचर बन चुकी हूँ, क्योंकि जो बच्चे हैं वो एक्चुअली एक्टर्स नहीं है, बहुतों की पहली फिल्म है ये. तो वी वांटेड दैट रियल क्वालिटी, एज इन द स्टूडेंट्स शुड लुक रियली रियल. और कभी कभी सच में वो सो जाते थे शॉट्स के बीच में, तो फिर डांट के उनको मतलब जगाना पड़ता था कि उठो, शॉट चल रहा है. तो आई थिंक वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट इन आवर क्लासरूम्स एज वेल.
अच्छा रानी,
हाय रानी
जी.
एक सवाल और, क्या आपको लगता है कि स्कूल जाने का जो ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म था वो कहीं ना कहीं अब चला गया है, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा टेक सेवी हो गए हैं और टेक्नोलॉजी में ज़्यादा रहते हैं, गेम ज़्यादा खेलते हैं, फील्ड पे कम जाते हैं? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म कुछ कम हुआ है? आपका जो दौर
देखिए,
था
अभी
स्कूल-
तक मेरी डॉटर अभी तक स्कूल नहीं गई है, तो आई डोंट हैव फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्कूल्स टुडे. बट मुझे जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो मेरे स्कूल के टाइम का था. And we've had a wonderful time in school. Because luckily we didn't have internet, we didn't have phones. We used to like to spend time in the library reading books. We had a wonderful library in school. So मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि हम कभी phone पे, I think we used to never waste time, and I think we used to have more fun in the playground.
Thank you.
Hi, Rani.
Yeah?
This is Vaishali Chandra
Hi,
from
Vaishali.
Alpha World.
Hi.
My question is, as you said, you had mentioned that you had a very limited time period. You told your team that, you know, I could only shoot for a few hours and stuff.
Yeah.
So how long did it take to shoot this song? And
Song or the film?
The song. This
But I can tell you about the whole film.
Yeah, you did mention one.
Yeah.
But now we are about Oi Hichki. If you could tell us more about Oi Hichki, behind the scenes, what went?
Behind the scenes, I think it was a lot of fun because my friend Vaibhavi Merchant was shooting the song. And when I shoot a song with her, it's like really, it goes like a breeze. In fact, a little change from what information you have. I basically told the team that I don't want to waste time on set. I want to just shoot on sets, because normally what happens is when an actor gives too much time to a film set, a lot of time goes faffing, waiting, you know. And I completed this film in flat 38 days, which is quite fast. And my team was thoroughly prepared in terms of, you know, with their shots, with everything. So I used to come like 6 in the morning, shoot with them up to 12, which is actually a very good 5-6 hours of shoot, which normally people give from say 9 to 6. But I wanted to get home soon to my baby, so I used to always give them from 6 o'clock, and they used to start shooting with me from 7. And I used to finish the shoot by 12, and they used to pack me off home. And we actually shot a lot of things because we had that concentrated 5 hours. Normally, when you have time to just sit around and wait for lighting and stuff, like everything gets, you know, pushed. But we like really concentrated our time and worked, and they worked really hard to finish my work off fast. But I actually gave a lot of time to my film to basically complete it. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to complete the film. Thank you.
We
Yes,
have
sir.
Yeah.
They want to ask a question. Mike.
Yes, we'll come to you also. We have a
This
question.
is not a question. This is a compliment. Rani, as everyone has told, was not Shararati or naughty. She was well-behaved child, but as she grew, she became Mardani.
Oh.
She became Mardani. She acted in the film Mardani.
Yes.
And if you have seen, when we go to cinema theater, before the show begins, there is national anthem. And once I was in theater PVR, and national anthem became with Rani as head and her Mardani girls. They were singing national anthem.
Yes.
So that felt, and I was very proud to see that this is my student who has come and become Mardani.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Can we take that question also, please?
Rani?
There's a student who has a question.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Hi, what's your name first?
Ananya.
Hi, Ananya. Which
Hello.
class do you study in?
10th A. Like
10th A, okay. Which house? Which house?
Yellow.
Tagore, my house!
So, do you have a favorite teacher from your school years?
Yeah, that's a very wrong question you're asking me. Yeah? How will I choose? That's not fair. That's an unfair question.
No, like anyone with very, like you have some teacher with you, like you missed a lot. Like
I think I can only say, I think Mrs. Dadarkar. I think I've just spent too much time with her, and she was kind of a mentor for me, because as she said that she started being my class teacher when I was in my 3rd standard, and she continued teaching me English and history in the 8th, 9th and 10th, of course. And I used to go to her place for tuitions. So I've spent a lot of time with her. So I would say the kind of time that I've spent with her, her daughter, her husband, I think that has been always very special in my memory. Thanks, Ananya.
Thank you.
Rani,
Thank you.
Hi, you're this side.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Nikita. I'm from Zoom.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, a child's first teacher are their parents, especially their mother.
Yeah.
So for your daughter, what is the one thing that you can't wait to teach her, and something that you wish she hasn't learned? She wouldn't
Dancing,
have learned it.
dancing.
And
Dancing and boxing.
you want her to learn both.
Because today I believe that all girls should learn martial arts and self-defense and then learn dance after that. So I would like to teach my daughter both.
And something you wish she shouldn't have learned.
No, no, no. There is nothing like that. I just absolutely adore her, whatever she's learning. And she has one cute thing right now is that when we try to teach her something, she just gets very upset. So I am just wondering what is going to be, what am I going to hear from her teachers? Because if she's going to turn around and tell her teachers that, no, it's like this, God, I don't know what I'm going to do. So that's one thing that she has. She likes to teach all of us everything.
Are you looking forward to being her teacher at home as well when she comes home and helping her out with the homework, or are you terrified of that area right
No,
now?
actually, my mom never helped me with my homework, so I think I'm going to follow my mom.
Do we have any more questions? Yes.
Hi,
Yes.
Rani.
Hi.
If you were a teacher...
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear you.
If you were to be a teacher in your real life, if your profession would be a teacher,
Yeah.
which subject would you like to teach?
Which subject? Definitely history.
History.
And geography.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Yes, yes, there's a...
Hi.
So, Captain.
Prinaus.
Wow, Captain how?
So my question was, you used to tell your teacher that you would not become an actress and you would become a teacher. So what made you decide to become an actress? Like what?
What
How
made
were
me
you-
decide? I didn't
Yes.
decide. My mom decided that for me. You see, when we were young, it was a different generation, you see, so I was very obedient. So whatever my mom said, I did. Unlike today. You see, so my mom said, become an actor, I became an actor. And she realized my dream before me. So you see, I became an actor by default. But I thank my mom today because I don't think I could be anything else but an actor.
Great actor at that.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh? Yes, yes, ma'am.
But no. But in the trailer, I saw you're teaching chemistry. That's right.
Actually, I'm a maths, physics, and chemistry teacher in the movie. So I'm actually teaching them physics, maths, and chemistry. So you see what a good actor I am. Yes. Yes, please.
Children, this is on behalf of you because none of you have, I think, mustered up courage to ask her this. But please do ask her, who was her first crush? Sorry, I know.
Yeah, please take this mic.
I had a lot of crushes, so I don't know which ma'am is talking about. First crush. Priya, you remember?
Should we ask her for the answer?
No. I'm just thinking, who was my first crush? Huh? You don't remember? You remember? Tell me in my ears if you remember something. Then I'll
Somebody
tell you if
is
you
going
can
to
say
get
it.
famous this afternoon.
I think we can avoid this question.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and all the students. You've been such a great support this afternoon. Please go and watch Hichki, and thank you so much. I
All
think
the
if you
students,
would-
you all must go. When is your exam starting? 20 of February, board exams. And when are they getting over? 23rd of March? Wow, yes. So all of you all can go and watch my movie on 23rd, right after your exams. And I promise you all will have fun. Yeah, it is an entertaining movie. There's no bhashan, yeah? There is no preaching in the movie. You all will have a great time. It's a good, inspiring film, so you must go and watch it. For MCET. Okay, thank you. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You've done
You
so
were
much
lovely.
with
Thank
this.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you, media. Thank you, and enjoy the song. Thanks.